Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka DK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the rim shot.
ADK Beatbox.
The rim shot is one of the main variation of the inward K snare and a really important sound for beatboxers to learn before starting off with technical or fast patterns. And this sound is used by many beatboxers in technical routines and combos such as the TKKs. Before you guys try to learn the rim shot, I expect you guys to be familiar with the inward K snare or learn it from the tutorial linked in the description below. After you guys have the inward K snare broken down, choose any one side of your mouth and try to do the inward K snare by releasing the pressure only on that side and maintaining the pressure on the other, like so. Instead of the air entering from both the sides of your mouth when you do the inward K snare by using the center of your mouth, like it just enters from the side you have selected, like. And the next step after you guys are comfortable to do the inward K snare by using only one side of your mouth is to do the sound by using only the pressure in your mouth and not your lungs. So the sound would sound something like instead of. And right now most of you guys might be sounding more like when you do the inward K snare by using only the pressure in your mouth. If you guys ask me what the main difference between the and the sound is, I would say that the sound uses very little pressure or just the pressure in your mouth, and you can also hum along with it when you do the sound. So if I'm humming along with the, it would sound something like. Whereas when you do the sound, you make extra pressure in your mouth by creating tension in your throat and releasing it simultaneously with the pressure in your mouth to get a sound something like instead of. And the creation and the release of pressure is very similar to that when you do the throat kick. And since you also use your throat to do this sound, the beats with hum might sound really choppy with this sound. For example, would sound something like. So you people can make out that very small chop in the hum when you do the rim shot along with the beat with the hum. So that's the main difference between the and the. And I wouldn't say that the sound is a wrong rim shot, but it sounds really weak on the mic and I personally do not prefer it. And if you guys don't get this sound in the first try, don't get discouraged because this sound is an intermediate difficulty level sound and may take up to 2 to 7 days to get the sound down. And after you guys get the sound down, a perfect practice pattern would be. And another intermediate practice pattern would be. And another pattern with the PF snare would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learned this sound or helped you to get started with the sound. And if you people learned something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.